Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tech Talk, your ultimate source for the latest in the world of tech. Today, we've got something truly thrilling to dive into, the Oculus Quest 3. We're about to unveil the specs, the exciting new features, and how it sets itself apart from its predecessor, the Quest 2. Plus, we'll talk about the price and release date, so stay tuned. Let's kick things off with the specs, because the Oculus Quest 3 has some serious power under the hood. The Quest 3 boasts an even more powerful processor, providing smoother graphics and faster load times. And yes, it still comes in both 64GB and 256GB storage options, giving you all the space you need for your virtual adventures. So, what's new and improved? Well, let's talk about comfort. The Quest 3 features enhanced ergonomics and a more balanced weight distribution, ensuring a comfortable fit even during extended gaming sessions. The redesigned straps make it easier to find that perfect fit for your head. Plus, the updated controllers are more intuitive than ever, with improved haptic feedback for a more immersive experience. And speaking of immersion, the Quest 3 offers even more realistic visuals and a wider field of view, thanks to its advanced optics. Now let's address the burning question. How does the Quest 3 differ from the Quest 2? While the Quest 2 was a game changer, the Quest 3 takes things up a notch. It's lighter, more comfortable, and offers better performance, making it an even more compelling choice for both newcomers and VR veterans. With improved visuals, a revamped user interface, and a growing library of games and experiences, the Quest 3 is here to redefine your VR adventures. It's the evolution you've been waiting for. Now, let's talk about the two crucial details, the price and when you can get your hands on it. The Quest 3 is available for pre-order now and will officially hit stores on October 10th. The headset starts at $500 with 128GB of storage, with a $650 configuration available for folks who want a larger 512GB of free space. For reference, the Quest 2 starts at $300 with 128GB and goes for $350 with 256GB. It would have been nice to see the Quest 3 start with 256GB given its price, but you do at least have a larger storage option than before. Buying either Quest 3 option from now until January 27th will get you a free copy of Asgard's Wrath, normally $60. And if you spring for the 512GB model, Meta will throw in a 6-month MetaQuest plus subscription for instant access to a curated selection of games. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the Oculus Quest 3, the next level of VR gaming and experiences. With improved specs, enhanced comfort, and a competitive price, it's poised to be the must-have gadget of the year. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, also comment below what you think of the new Quest 3, and if you will be pre-ordering, and stay tuned to Tech Talk for more tech insights. The future of gaming and immersive experiences is just around the corner, and we'll be here to explore it with you. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy gaming in the world of VR.